How to fix Twitch app not sending verification code. What's up everybody, welcome back to another quick tutorial where I'm going to show you guys what you can do if your Twitch app is not sending you a verification code. So if you have set up a two-step verification in order to log into your Twitch, but you are having trouble receiving the verification code, there are quite a few things that you can do in order to solve the problem. The very first one being a stable internet connection. Just make sure that your internet connection is stable, and if your Wi-Fi is not working, you might want to try to switch to mobile data or vice versa. And once you do that, your problem should pretty much be fixed. But if it still does not fix, then you want to try to tap on the resend code option, which will opt the Twitch server to resend you your code on your email. But just make sure that you don't repeatedly tap on the resend code option, because it might block new codes from appearing on your email. After that, if it's still not working, what you want to do is go ahead and tap on the Twitch icon's app info and try to force stop this app, which will completely stop the background activities of this app, and this will include the code sending process as well. And after you do that, you just want to try again and send the code. And after you have done this a few times, you should receive the verification code and log into your Twitch account successfully. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.